beautiful event.
The freaky course? I want the freaky course.
The red one? The red is most freaky.
That's the most freaky. That's also...
25 seconds.
Okay, so do I need...
Should I be a male or
What?
female? Okay.
Oh, my turn.
Don't hit that one. Don't. That's gonna.
Wait.
wait. Like a bikini. Yeah.
Okay, now...
Okay.
I didn't plan that out. Oh, my hand's too sweaty.
Damn.
That's soft.
Let's let it go.
What you gonna do?
Okay, hold on.
So I just wanted to share with you guys the thing about the windmills and fundraisers and stuff. So I got a bunch of pictures of it.
Right clip.
Fuck
I
you.
don't have the right
Fuck
clip.
you. Be a thief.
Oh my. What was I thinking?
My turn.
Go ahead, Ryan. That's as good as you're gonna get.
If you guys are
It's time. That's what I call music.